Good morning, my fellow traders. Happy Friday and welcome back to another live trading session, guys. So unfortunately, market is not really looking too unfavorable for anybody, to be very honest. But still, nonetheless, of course, we have our levels that we're going to play. Now, I am watching the NVIDIA breakout above this most previous highs. Very simply, just grab the most previous wicks with this wick here and just extend it out all the way to the next previous day, which is today. And that's very simply how I'm going to trade. So now, on the 15-minute time frame, you guys can see, currently are just here at this area, kind of rejecting at the moment, just a little bit. Price action is looking a little bit healthy. You can see the long wicks of downside indicating that buyers stepping in. Strong buyer candle, and let's see if they get above, which in this case, if they do get above for the nice breakout, what I'm going to do, guys, is wait for a pullback into this general area. Then that's when I'm going to enter in, whether the dip is right here, here, or here. Stop loss will be below the support, and price targets will well be above in a nice area of 30%, guys. So that's what we're going to plan on doing today. So if we don't catch the live trade on this computer, we'll come back and do the recap and show you guys our orders, show you guys how we ended the week because it is Friday. So let's see how much money we can make today on a Friday. Guys, it's Friday. It's Friday. We're in our Friday trade. Guys, we're going to print on this motherfucker. Who let this motherfucker hop in the trade? Somebody should have told him hop out that motherfucking trade. This is exactly what we asking for. Bruh. This is literally my trade style. I'm literally in a break and retest trade setup that you guys saw earlier. I literally am doing exactly what I said I'm gonna do. Entered in at this area around this general retest, and guys, we got it. So we're gonna play out with it, see how it does, and I'll catch you guys when we get back home. Currently just running some errands at the moment. Gotta do an oil change, picking up some papers as well. Got my chicken protein here for them. All right, guys, so currently NVIDIA is doing its absolute best to pull back on me, but it's totally fine because check this out. This is what my brain thinks. Higher high, lower high, higher high. And what needs to happen here is create a higher low. Currently down about 10% here, as you guys can see, which I do not mind. I don't mind even taking a 15% cut if we need to, because what I'm waiting for is a break below support for a failed breakout. Also, the 4-hour time frame also closes here real soon, which is now becoming a failed breakout as far as a pullback on the long wick. So we're gonna be very cautious here. Then go back to sleep. Okay, guys, so we got our official 15-minute candle close. You know what that means. We got to take our loss, and we're currently down at the moment about 12%. And let's see if we can get filled. Trying to have a sell order set. All right, there we go. So we got filled, guys. This is how long we've been holding that trade. I believe it was hella long, like over 2 hours probably. So this is that trade that we just took, guys. We've been holding this trade for about 40 minutes, which I do not mind. I actually like that I'm holding trades a lot longer, guys. I'm not a scalp trader, but the same way that it doesn't go in my favor is the same way I need to start holding when it goes in my favor. So I held it for 40 minutes to a loss. I need to start holding for 40 minutes to a gain.